We all spend money every day. But not every expense is needed. Some are just habits. Some are things we buy without thinking. Some are things we can live without. Cutting unnecessary expenses means spending less on things that do not matter. This gives you more money for things that really matter. Like saving, investing, paying off debt, or building your future. Many people do not realize how much they spend. A little here, a little there, and at the end of the month the money is gone. So in this video let us talk about how to cut these extra costs. Step by step. With simple ideas that anyone can follow. First, take a look at your bank statement. See where your money goes each month. Look at what you spent on food, clothes, travel and online orders. Many times we are shocked at how much we spent. Now ask yourself, did I need this? Did it help me? Can I live without it? If the answer is yes, I can live without it, then that is an unnecessary expense. Let us begin with daily habits. Do you buy coffee every morning from a cafe? That one cup can cost more than making 10 cups at home. If you do this every day in a month, you may spend a large amount. Make coffee at home and carry it with you. You can save thousands in a year. What about eating out? Ordering food from outside is quick and easy. But it costs more than cooking at home. Make a meal plan. Buy groceries once a week. Cook simple meals. This way you save money and also eat better. Then we have subscriptions. Netflix, Amazon Prime, gym, music apps, magazines. Do you use all of them? Or are they just taking money each month? Cancel the ones you do not use. Cut down to just one if you can. Another place people waste money is shopping without a plan. You go to the store just to look around. You end up buying clothes, shoes, gadgets that you do not need. Always make a list before shopping. Stick to that list. Do not buy extra stuff just because it is on sale. Sales and discounts are tricky. They make you feel like you are saving money. But in truth you are spending money on something you may not need. Do not fall for marketing tricks. Buy only when you really need something. Also, stop trying to keep up with others. Your friend bought a new phone, so you want one too. Your neighbor got a new car, so now you feel your car is too old. This is called lifestyle inflation. It is one big reason people stay broke. Live for yourself, not to impress others. Do you shop online a lot? Scrolling apps at night and buying things you do not need. Turn off shopping app notifications. Delete the apps if needed. Give yourself a rule. Wait 24 hours before buying anything online. Many times you will forget it by the next day. Now let us talk about energy use. Turn off lights and fans when not in use. Use energy-saving bulbs. Unplug devices when they are not needed. Small things, but they add up. What about transport? Can you walk or cycle for short trips? Can you use public transport instead of driving? Can you share a ride with others? All of this can save you money on fuel and car repairs. Also avoid late fees. Pay bills on time. Set reminders. Automatic payments if needed. Late fees are just wasted money. Stop using credit cards if you cannot pay full every month. The interest is very high. And it keeps you in debt. Use cash or debit cards so you only spend what you have. Set a weekly or monthly budget. Write down how much you will spend on food, transport, bills, and fun. Stick to that budget. If you reach the limit, do not spend more. Also learn to say no. Say no to party invites that cost money. Say no to friends who want you to spend on things you do not need. Say no to things that take you away from your goal. Start saving that extra money. Open a savings account. Put that money in there each month. Even if it is a small amount. Over time it grows. You do not need to cut all fun. Just spend smarter. Find free or low-cost ways to enjoy life. Watch movies at home. Go for a walk. Visit parks. Read books. Spend time with loved ones. Remember, cutting unnecessary expenses is not about being cheap. It is about being wise. You are in control of your money, not the other way around. Keep track of your progress.